Since coming to America, I discovered that there are non-spicy Mapo Tofus. Mapo Tofu is one of my favorite tofu dish. I love the taste of the spicy and tingling flavor of the traditional Sichuan style Mapo Tofu. I will be making two styles of Mapo Tofu today, the traditional Sichuan style and the Japanese style Mapo Tofu. Welcome to Annie's Apron. Let's get started with the Japanese version first.
Prepare the listed ingredients that are shown on the screen. Cut the scallion into two halves. One half with more scallion white, another half with more scallion green. The green portion will be used for garnish. The white part will be used during cooking. Then mince the ginger as fine as you can. You also can use a grinder to crush the ginger. Next, mince the garlic as fine as you can. You need about 2 parts of garlic to 1 part of ginger and equal parts of ginger to scallion. Cut the tofu into small cubes as shown. Add 2 tablespoons of water to dissolve the cornstarch. Now we are ready to start cooking. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan. Stir fry the ginger and garlic first. When the aroma comes out, add scallions into the pan. Then add ground pork. Stir fry them. When the meat is fully cooked, add miso and the郫县豆瓣. Cook and stir until the oil turns red. Add 1 cup of water into the wok. Then add the tofu cubes. Let the tofu simmer in the sauce. Cover the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. The flavor and the aroma will be absorbed into the tofu. Lastly, add soy sauce and liquid cornstarch into the wok to add the texture to the sauce. Stir and mix well. The Japanese-style Mapo Tofu is now ready to be served. As a finishing touch, add some chopped scallion as garnish.
Next, it's time to cook my favorite Sichuan style Mapo Tofu. Please prepare the ingredients as shown on the screen. If you have an empty pepper grinder available, you can use it to grind the Sichuan pepper. I find you can unlock more flavor from grinding it fresh. Otherwise, to make it easier, you can use Sichuan pepper powder instead.
Similar to cooking process earlier, begin by cutting the scallion as fine as you can. Save some scallion greens as garnish. The white part will be used during cooking. Mince the ginger and garlic as fine as you can. The ratio of garlic to ginger is about 2 to 1. Cut the tofu into small cubes. Next, cut the dry red pepper in half.
Expose the red pepper will allow the flavor to come out much easier.
Then chop the 郫县豆瓣 as fine as you can. Dissolve the cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Let's begin cooking by adding 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan. Fry the red peppers and Sichuan peppers first. When you smell the aroma of the peppers, remove them. Chop the fried Sichuan pepper on a clean cutting board. We will use it later. Sprinkle ginger into the pan, followed by garlic, and then scallion. Mix in the 郫县豆瓣. Lastly, add ground beef. When the beef is fully cooked, the color will turn dark brown. Add 1 cup of water. After bringing the water to a boil, we will add tofu. Gently stir the tofu.
Sure to completely submerge the tofu. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes.
Add soy sauce and liquid cornstarch. Mix well. Last step, add the chopped fried Sichuan pepper into the Mapo Tofu to intensify the lummy flavor. The authentic Sichuan Mapo Tofu is now ready to be served. Add some freshly grounded Sichuan pepper for an additional kick of fiery spice. Sprinkle some fine chopped green scallion as garnish to complete the dish. There are 2 types of Mapo Tofu, Japanese style and Sichuan style. Which one is your favorite? If you are wondering what is 郫县豆瓣, it's actually a chili bean paste, one of the most important ingredients when cooking Sichuan cuisine. Please search on Amazon for 郫县豆瓣. You can use the link below to purchase the 郫县豆瓣. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.